Alright guys, looks like I tried to shoe glue and drywall tape my body for the poor boy RC. I think it looks good. So I found out these bodies are on an actual RC car that's only $45. I could have got a car with it. Anyways, it's a whole other story. I'm sorry to squirrel. So I'm having a wonderful time. You'll see. It's raining, of course, so it gives me a chance to do this, but right next to the pond out here. It's beautiful. And we use marine glue instead this time. I've got a bunch of pictures I'll show them in this video. Just kind of gonna go through the car while I'm gone, get her ready for the next rip. And also, we have a new sponsor. X Team has decided to sponsor us. They're sending us a motor. So we got motors, ESC gearing coming for phase 2, and I think everything's turning out all right. Should be able to get us some good numbers. We're at 44.2 I think miles an hour right now, but we'll get her to 50 or 60 next week. Yeah, I'll see you when I see you. I'm out at camp, so it's what it is. We'll let this dry and we'll get another coat on there. Man, it makes the body a lot heavier. I might just do one coat. We'll see. Went on pretty easy though. It was the first time I'd done it. Hopefully I did it right. I just used a piece of cardboard to run through it. I don't know. I dig it. That's all for now. Like and subscribe. Peace.